What's up, guys? I'm here in my 94 Blazer, and I just took the dash out. So I need to fix all these wires, all these cut wires and stuff. These are all just zip tied underneath the column, which usually they're all nice and tidy. I think they go above, they go behind the dash, behind the cluster, but I mean, now they don't. So I took them all, took everything out, and I'm gonna try to fix this, make it look nice, because every time I would step on the brake or the gas, I would have wire just hanging and just touching. So I'm gonna try to hopefully get it all nice, and then put the dash back in, and then hopefully everything works out. It should. I wasn't getting any power to the cluster. That's also another reason why I took it all apart. But we'll see. This is, first step was dash, second step is fixing this. And then hopefully the cluster starts working again. I'm gonna check all the wires. I'm gonna put everything back once I fix everything. Put these wires back and then see if I get the proper voltage and grounds and all that to this harness for this plug for the cluster. But this is what I'm working with. Well, I took the harness took it all apart from the firewall and everything. And this is literally how it was in the truck. Literally. Only thing that I did was take some of the tape off from here all the way down to here. But everything else, that's how it was. So now I started checking all the wires, make sure they're not cut. Some wires here on the plug that goes to the cluster, they were stuck together. So that's probably what was causing the gauges not to work. But I just have to check all the plugs, make sure they're all one piece, and I'll start taping it all up, making it nice, and then hopefully it all works, but we'll see. So I got the wiring in the truck. I haven't finished it yet. I had a battery drain issue. The alternator was staying on. It was keeping power for some reason when I would turn it off. And so I fixed that issue. The main issue was the gauges at first. So now, now we have some gauges. RPMs work, voltage works. Before I even did all this, nothing was working. The gas seems like it works now. I haven't put any gas, so that might be accurate. I did drive it around, and the speedometer is not working for some reason. It could be the speed sensor, something like that. But as long as I have the gas, voltage, and all the important stuff going, then I think I'm fine with that. All my fuses are getting power how they should. Only issue is that when I do turn the truck off, the windows stay powered on, which I don't think they did that before. But if it doesn't drain the battery, then I'll be all right with that. But yeah, I'm gonna take all this, take the wiring harness out, and then put it behind the dash how it should go. I think that would be easier instead of putting the dash in and then trying to put all the plugs where they go, and then just kind of make it fit so it doesn't get squished how it was before. So I'm gonna do that. So I think now I'm just gonna unplug, unhook the battery, Take the courtesy, what is it? Convenience center out, and then take the whole thing out, and then put it behind the dash neatly, and it should be good to go, hopefully. Got the dash back in. I want to buy a radio, a double din radio, since I already have the cover that goes there. That already has a single din in there, so that'll be perfect. So I got the dash in, gauges work. That one goes kind of crazy for some reason. All the gauges are reading, which they didn't before. Nothing worked. But the only thing that doesn't work is the speedometer. I'm not sure why that's happening. It could be probably a sensor or something. I don't know. But I mean, I'm happy with it. It actually fucking works now. I just gotta clean it up. I gotta find some door panels for this first. I want to use those, but the door panels are all cracked. This thing is all messed up. I want to fix those and then reuse the speakers. So I can put the speakers in there. I need speakers for those. I need the dash speakers, and I don't know if those work up there. I'm not sure. Also, I have to fix the visors. I need to fix the headliner. The seats. But man, I'm just glad that gauges actually work for the most important stuff. The oil pressure is good. We're charging kind of high. I don't know if that's normal.